Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on ClearScore. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in clearscore.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official ClearScore website. In order to sign up and create a new account, click on the sign up button at the top right corner, which will take you into the registration page. Now, first of all, you will need to enter your email address. So go ahead and type in the email that you wish to use, and underneath your email section, you will need to select your country. Just click on the drop-down menu and choose your country or region and click on Get Started. Once you click on this, you will be asked to fill up your credentials. Start by entering your first name and then type in your last name underneath. You will then also be allowed to create your password for your account. Make sure that you follow all of the criteria that are mentioned underneath the password box and then type in your desired password. After creating your password, click on Create a Secure Account and now you will be asked to enter further personal details. Start by entering your date of birth and then choose your residential address. Enter your street address, your unit or your suite number, followed by your city and your province. Then type in your postal code and click on the Continue button. Once your address has been verified, you might need to enter the verification code that has been sent into your email address. So check your inbox and you will find the code that you will need to enter within the next screen. After entering this code, your verification process will complete, and after entering a few further information about yourself, your new account will officially be created. And now you can use your newly created credentials in order to log into your ClearScore account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on ClearScore. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.